2055, time travel will be possible. But there is one rule. Don't bring anything back.
What did you change?
We don't know.
Once it was our world.
What was that?
Now it's theirs.
You wake them up. Wake who? My God.
This September, evolve or die. A Sound of Thunder.